In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to download PNC Bank mobile application. To download the PNC mobile banking application on your mobile device and get started with it, the first thing to do is to make sure to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Now, in the search box, type in PNC Bank and search. You'll be able to find the mobile banking application for PNC, which looks like this. Now, tap on the Get button or the Download button and you should be able to download and install the PNC mobile banking application right on your mobile device. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.